Hey, it's Tony here with RandomLikes. Getting ready to go out to the garage. Got some battery pack stuff today in the mail. Got an adapter and a step down tool and to step down from 20 volt to 12 volt. And we're going to go put something together so we can run some 12 volt stuff off of it. If battery packs is something you randomly like, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll put some links in the description for you. Thanks for watching. Let's go to the garage. So here I have a battery pack adapter. As you can see, there's lots of different ones for different sizes of batteries. I'm using my 20 volt Dewalt battery and a step down tool. And then I've got these 10 pack of 2-pin plugs I got off of Amazon. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to attach the battery pack adapter to the inside of the step down converter. Then I will add the plug on the outside of the converter. So you can use lots of different battery pack adapters. They're out there. A lot of them are 3D printed. Really easy to find on Amazon. Search for Power Wheels battery pack adapter. And the converter as well. I chose this one because it was like 2 for $12. And I thought it was a reasonable price to try it out. And on this one, you can see right where my finger's at now that there's an inside and then there's an outside. It's clearly marked in and then out. If you hold down the right button, as I'm doing now, and then that lets you adjust it, and then the left button will take the voltage down all the way down to 2 volts, and the right side will go all the way up to 40 volts. So you would need at least a 40 volt battery to do that. However, you can go between both. So I just got an old phone here, just hooking it up with a power plug here, and works good. Just to try it out, I'm going to go ahead and make a little box to protect the components on the converter. Just because there's a lot of components, you can easily bump it up. I plan on putting this in a trailer box on my trailer, or a toolbox I should say, on my trailer. And then I'm going to run some overhead lights for my kayak trailer. If you like kayak trailers, go check out the videos. And then I'm also going to put a plug on this to run other things, such as a 12 volt inverter. I want to use it to run, I've got an old compressor off of a battery jump box. And just other stuff, anything you can think of is really why I wanted to do this for myself. This battery pack adapter already had holes in it, so I could attach it easily, which was really quite nice. And they are beveled, so you can put a recessed screw in there so it won't hit on the battery. Then I just decided to put it in an old box I had laying around. I'll probably make it nicer at some point in time. I was really doing proof of concept before I spent the time and money setting it all up on a different box. Other things I might use this for, I have an old 12 volt fan. I want to update it for camping. And really the cost of batteries and the cost of different components, I get to use all the Dewalt batteries I already have, is really the point. And I think I have about $15 in this. So now I can plug in all sorts of different things. And that's why I bought the 10 pack of plugs, so I could put in a bunch of different stuff and adapt it to different things. The last thing I think it would be nice would be if I put a switch on here somehow. But the components I'm going to be using with this, as of right now, all have switches built in. So you could easily put a piece of wire and a switch in between the plug and the converter as well. Thanks again for watching. If you got any questions, drop them in the comments. And for future battery pack hacks, don't forget to subscribe.